At 3 a.m. on August 8th, the engine driver, Jack Mills, saw the red light and stopped the train. He was an innocent man, following the rules. This moment was the point of no return. Mills was immediately attacked and brutally beaten with an iron bar, suffering serious head injuries. This single act of violence was the true moral cost of the heist. Mills was forced to drive the locomotive and the money car 1 mile to Prideaux Bridge. His life, and later his death, partly attributed to the attack, became the hidden tragedy behind the glamorous headlines. The train was now a stationary target, ready for the extraction. Inside the postal car, there were 70 workers, terrified but compliant. The robbers didn't waste time looking for valuables. They went straight for the 120 canvas sacks of high-denomination cash. The bags were heavy. The crew worked like a drilled machine, passing the 2.5 tons of cash out of the door and down to the waiting trucks. But the pressure was immense. The light was faint, the noise was chaotic, and their efficiency was slowly giving way to paranoia and greed. This intense pressure forced them to cut corners, creating the fatal flaw that would ultimately destroy them.